Eleanor.
Hey guys, so I'm about to oil my mom here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn your notification bell so you won't miss an upload from me. So guys, I'm about to do mommy here. I am doing the crochet, the jumbo twist crochet, I think it is. Everything is gonna be listed in the description box down below. So guys, this is how the hair looks. Everything for the hair will be this that I started. So turn on your notification bell so you won't miss an upload from me. Don't forget to comment down below, say hi to me in the comment section, and guys, share it with a friend. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Let's get me to 2K.